Hey Paperlovers, welcome by a new YouTube video. It's Josefine here and today is all about wax seal stamps, and Craspire sent me several seal stamps and wax beads and asked me to try them and tell you what I think of these beautiful products they sell. And of course I wanted to make a YouTube video of how I use these seal stamps. So they sent me two beautiful glass stamp holders and two beautiful stamp heads from a butterfly and a peony, and these glass stamps are universal treat head from 7 millimeter, and it's a good beautiful product. It's natural and safe material, easy to change and install, and sealing stamps are suitable for embellishment and decorating of envelopes, invitation, wine package, perfume bottles, wine bottles, scrapbooks, gifts, cards, you name it, jewels. You can do a lot of these with these beautiful wax beads and these beautiful colors. I love the blue tones of these beautiful wax beads, and I choose a few wax beads and put them in my melting spoon, and now we wait when till everything is melt. It takes a little while when everything is melt, and when everything is melt, I put a little on my metallic ceramic wax seal mat, and I put my stamp into the wax bead, into the melting wax bead, and we wait for a second, and here is my butterfly. And I love how this works. I love how this turned out, and it's just a great way to use these wax seals into your scrapbooking pages, of cards making, and with my metallic marker I give the butterfly a golden touch. I love all the details of this butterfly, and they look so well and beautiful. So here I color the butterfly with a golden touch using use my metallic markers. It's time to make another wax seal, and I already choose different colors. I put them in my sealing wax spoon. I put a little glitter on top, and I press my wax seal stamp into the center of my melting wax beads, and just look how this turned out. I love all the glittering in this seal stamp. I use the Peony the Peony stamp head, and look how gorgeous this is. Yes, you can use your glitter as well for to put them in your wax seal stamp, and I think you can use these wax seal stamps as a charm. So I decided to make a charm of this wax seal stamp. So you can use this charm for a mini album or card or tag, whatever you want to use your charm. But yes, I love to make charms of these wax seal stamps. For this wax seal stamp I use golden flakes, and I already choose transparent and white wax beads, and I put them in my sealing wax spoon, and we wait a little bit till everything is melt, and then I put the wax melting on my ceramic wax seal mat, and I sprinkle a little bit of the golden flakes and put my butterfly wax seal stamp in the center of this wax seals. And look how gorgeous this is. I love how transparent this wax beads is. This wax seal is with the beautiful golden flakes, and of course the butterfly. I give the butterfly a golden touch with my metallic golden marker. I want to try another wax seal stamp with a lot of glitter, and I use the light blue. I want to use the light blue glitters on my wax seal stamp, and here I put a few wax beads, white wax beads, in my melting spoon, and we wait a little bit till everything is melt, and then I put it on my ceramic wax seal mat, and I sprinkle it with my light blue glitters, and then I stamp with my beautiful peony stamp in the center of this wax seal, and we wait a little bit, and look how gorgeous all these glitters are. So the flower, I color the flower with my metallic markers, and just look how gorgeous all these glitters are on my wax seal stamp. With the wax seal beads you can make jewels as well, so I want to try to make some earrings. I choose a pink wax beads, put them in my sealing wax spoon, we wait a little bit, and when everything is melted, I put the melted wax bead on my ceramic wax seal mat and sprinkle a little bit with the pink glitter, and we wait when it's cooled down so we can create some beautiful earrings. I make a third wax seal circle because I want to have the perfect circle. I want two perfect circles for my earrings. So I made another wax bead circle with my wax bead seals. And when everything is melted, I put it again on my ceramic wax seal mat and sprinkle a little bit with the pink glitter, and we wait. And here I made a small hole to make some earrings of these cute little pink circles that I made with my wax beads. So what do I think about wax seal stamps? I think wax seal stamps are so versatile. You can do a lot of with these wax seal stamps. You can make jewels, you can make charms, you can use them for your scrapbooking. I think as a paper crafter, I want to use these wax seal stamps for my scrapbook pages, and I'm making charms for my mini albums. I think that's great idea how I want to use these wax seal stamps. And I want to thank Craspire to send me some of these beautiful stamps and wax beads to try. And yes, I'm very happy and a big fan of wax seal stamps now. So I want to ask you to take a look in the shop of Craspire. They have so many beautiful products, and if you use the coupon code Scrapycat 5, you get some discount. So The links of the products that I use in my video are in my subscription, and I hope you get a lot of inspiration about wax seal stamps. And I think you have to try it by yourself. It's a great way to use wax seal stamps, and yes, I'm a big fan now. So I want to thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you next time on my YouTube channel for another video. And for now, wish you a beautiful and crafty day. Bye bye.